left off. Okay, so I highly recommend that you bring your comforters to the washing series to wash. So that's one point I want to bring up. But also the other point is the reason it's better to get appliance repair because I've heard a lot of people say that I could buy another one for that price, or I could go to the washing series, but I just spent $9 on one machine. I just spent $11 on another machine just to wash my comforters. It's $20 for two loads. That's like we're talking about drying all the time. So just imagine doing that 2 or 3 times a week when you got a family of 3 or 4. It's probably spending about $100 a week. If you spend like $100 a week on washing clothes and clean, it's like $400 a month. So I think it would be cheaper to get appliance repaired versus coming to the washing period of time that's going to take out. You have to sit up here with all the people. They got a AC, they got fans.
Okay. We still owe it? Oh. This one was 11.75, wasn't it? Yeah, this one was 11.75. I thought we finished. Did you get exactly $21? Or did you get 20? Oh, okay. So
let me get it pulled out of the bag.
Okay. I don't have anything. I just grabbed the pillows. And then for me, if I'm coming to the washing series, this right here necessarily wouldn't work for me because look at, you gotta get on a step ladder just to be able to see and pour the detergent in there. And this one, you have to get on the step ladder just to be able for me to see off in here. So to me, that wouldn't work for me. Too short. So we still have to put 25 more cents. You got anything else you want them to know, honey?
Get your appliances fixed because I'm already ready to go.
Do it tell you how much time on it?
This one is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes, so I guess about an hour out of my life. I gotta sit and watch this here. You gotta look at all these things.